see her in the sunrise, soft and warm like morning light. Every little smile of hers turns my darkness bright. I don't know why my heart beats fast whenever she's nearby. Feels like heaven's whispering every time she passes by. I'm just a simple soul standing here with hope, trying to write her name in every dream I hold. If love is truly written in your perfect design, dear God, please make her to be mine. Let our hearts meet somewhere in time. If she's the blessing that you made for me, guide her footsteps gently to my destiny. Loved her in the silence, in the words I never spoke. Every day I find a little courage, but it's never enough. Maybe she was sent to teach me how to love again, to open doors I closed before, to heal the hurt within. I know that you can see the truth I hide inside. Try to fight. If love is meant to fall like stars across the sky, dear God, please make her to be mine. Let our hearts meet somewhere in time. If she's the blessing that you made for me, guide her footsteps gently till my destiny. I'll wait with faith, I'll wait in your light. Dear God, please make her to be still prays it isn't so. Dear God, please make her to be mine. Join our hearts if it's your sign. Let her see the truth inside my eyes. Let our souls meet where forever lies. I'll keep this prayer until the stars align. Dear God, please make her to be mine. And if someday she walks into my life, I'll know you heard this prayer of mine.